Buying an ICOCA or Suica card in Japan is straightforward and can be done at ticket machines at train stations. Here's a step-by-step guide for each. How to buy an ICOCA card, common in Kansai region like Osaka, Kyoto, Kobe. 1. Locate a ticket machine. Look for machines at JR stations in the Kansai region, marked as ICOCA compatible. 2. Change language. Tap the English option, usually on the top right corner. 3. Select IC card or purchase ICOCA card. Look for options to buy a new IC card or insert payment. The initial cost is usually Y2000, which includes a 500 refundable deposit and I-1500 in stored value. 5. Receive your card. The machine will dispense the card and you can start using it immediately. How to buy a Suica card, common in Tokyo and surrounding areas. 1. Find a ticket machine. Look for machines at JR East stations in the Tokyo area. 2. Change language. Tap the English option on the screen. 3. Select Purchase Suica. Choose the option for a new Suica card or insert payment. Similar to ICOCA, you'll need Y2000 Y500 deposit plus I-1500 stored value. Collect your card. Take the card from the slot and start using it. Tips for both cards. Recharge. You can recharge your card at any compatible ticket machine or convenience store. Accepted regions. Both cards are interchangeable in most regions across Japan, so an ICOCA card will work in Tokyo and vice versa. Child cards. If you're purchasing for children, aged 6 to 12, you'll need to speak to staff at the ticket counter to set the discounted fare. Redeem and save. Discount code NINOXCLUK Max 5X is used worldwide.